7 money mindsets every teen trader must master to become a millionaire. You're young, hungry, and curious about money. Maybe you're 16, 17, or 20 and already looking at trading charts, watching crypto trends, or dreaming of flipping your first stock. That's good. You're already ahead of 90% of the world. But here's the truth no one tells you. You can learn all the trading strategies in the world, but if your financial psychology is broken, you'll stay broke. In this video, I'm giving you 7 powerful money mindsets, rooted in psychology, that will help any teenager or young adult become a future millionaire, especially if you're getting into Forex, crypto, or stock trading. Let's get into it. 1. Be a pawn before you're a king. Social media has ruined your expectations. It shows 18-year-olds driving Lambos and making 6 figures trading from their phones. But here's the truth. You must learn to be a pawn before you can ever play like a king. That means respecting the process. In trading, that means losing trades and learning from them. It means demo accounts before live accounts. It means study before glory. Millionaires don't skip steps. They master them. And if you can't sit with humility in year 1, you'll never earn the right to hold wealth in year 5. 2. Dress your mind, not just your body. Everyone talks about dressing sharp, but I want you to dress your mindset with clarity and purpose. In trading, this means you don't flex profit screenshots. You protect your psychology. You wear discipline, risk management, and delayed gratification like a suit and tie. If you're young, people already doubt you. Don't give them more reasons. Show up sharp, mentally. Focus less on brands and more on building your brand. You're not just trading money, you're trading your future self into existence. 3. Let the markets humble you. You need something in life that punches you in the face, and trading will do exactly that. It's humbling. You'll think you've mastered it after a few wins. Then the market will take it all back. That's Financial Psychology 101. Stay grounded. Never let profit inflate your ego. Never let a loss destroy your identity. The market doesn't care about your feelings. It only rewards mastery. So treat every loss as tuition. Treat every win as a test of your character. The sooner you build emotional resilience, the sooner you'll unlock real wealth. 4. Money needs a mission. Most teens chase money. But money isn't something you chase. It's something you attract when you have clarity. Ask yourself, what's your mission? Is it freedom? Is it retiring your parents? Is it building something meaningful? If you don't have a mission, your money will burn in dopamine purchases. Shoes, gadgets, flashy trades that make no sense. Wealthy traders and investors have a vision.
They know why they enter a trade, why they manage their risk, why they say no to unnecessary pleasure. 5. Cut noise, grow focus. Your environment is louder than your goals. Notifications, fake gurus, Instagram traders, noise everywhere. You need to cut it. Keep your circle small, but your vision loud. In trading, fewer signals equals more clarity. In life, fewer voices equals more growth. Protect your mental bandwidth like it's money, because it is. The wealthiest traders didn't have the loudest voices in the room. They had the quietest minds. Master focus early and you'll earn what others only dream about. 6. Learn to hold what you earn. It's one thing to make your first $1,000 from trading or business. It's another thing entirely to keep it and grow it. Here's a psychological truth. Your wealth will always shrink back to your self-image. If you don't feel worthy of money, you'll sabotage your profits. That's why you must train your mind to receive and retain abundance, not fear it. Start small, save, reinvest. Think in decades, not dopamine. Get rid of the idea that every win is a spending opportunity. Instead, treat wins like seeds, hold, reinvest, and multiply. 7. Invest early, fail forward. Your greatest advantage is not money, it's time. You can mess up, start over, pivot, and still be in your prime by 25. So start investing now, especially in yourself. Books, mentorships, trading courses, psychology, emotional intelligence. Don't wait to be perfect to start, and let the process perfect you. Fail fast, learn fast, move smart. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to be committed. The teen who invests in their mind today becomes the millionaire who invests for others tomorrow. So there you have it. 7 powerful financial mindsets to carry through your teenage years and beyond. If you're serious about trading, investing, or building wealth young, then remember, it's not just about what you do, it's about how you think. Master your psychology and the market will follow. If you found value in this, drop a comment, subscribe, and keep learning. Because your journey to financial freedom has already begun.